Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make special prawn fry.
This is a quick prawn fry recipe in Kerala style. We just need only 30 minutes for this tasty prawn fry. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 250 grams of cleaned prawn. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 5 to 6 chopped curry leaves, 1.5 tablespoon red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Also add 4 tablespoon water and mix it well. Close and keep marinated for 15 to 20 minutes. Take a pan, take 3 tablespoon oil and heat it. Add 7 to 8 curry leaves, 1 chopped green chilli. Mix it and saute it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now add the marinated prawn to it. Mix it well. Also 2 tablespoon water. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. But now we have to dry up the excess water. Keep open and cook on high flame until it becomes dry. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Now it has become dry. We have got very thick and dry prawn fry. Switch off the flame. Our special prawn fry is ready. This is a very tasty prawn fry recipe and it's a very simple recipe, so you must try this at home.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.